In this video, I'm going to guide you through what you can do with your great ideas to earn money even while you're sleeping. Hi, I'm Lisa Lloyd, and for more of the best inventor and entrepreneurial tips, tricks, and strategies, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. When I was only 23 years old, I was making $14,000 a year working for the CBS affiliate in Tucson, Arizona. In 18 short months, I invented, patented, and licensed Tuscunsy for a minimum of $60,000 a year. I had no idea it would be the beginning of a whole new life, but it was. And since then, I've licensed 7 more products that have been sold around the world, and I've been featured in magazines and on programs like Good Morning America, Shark Tank, Dr. Phil, and many more. Invention licensing is simple and easy if you know what to do. Here are 3 tips to help you kickstart your own invention licensing business, and be sure to watch to the end for how you can get my free 1-hour course if you'd like to learn more. Number 1 is invent solutions that sell. Makes sense, right? Well, inventing is all about solving a problem. You're going about your day and all of a sudden you find yourself saying there's got to be a better way. But one of the biggest reasons companies tell me that they don't license is because inventors solve problems poorly. Well, licensing is easy when you have something that makes people say, wow, I have to have that. So the first step is to pass the wow test. To invent wow solutions, you must have enough highly meaningful benefits that all add up to being dramatically better than all of the competition. And that could be as simple as just one feature change. For example, this contour clip sells millions of units a year all around the world. There's just one problem. It doesn't stay in your hair. So I simply solved the problem by just adding 2 teeth. And that simple improvement became a best-selling accessory of all time for the billion-dollar company that I licensed it to. So whether it's just one small feature or maybe even a number of features that all come together and provide a number of benefits, one or more, when you invent dramatically better solutions than all the competition, you create that wow factor based on that differentiation, and it causes companies also to say, wow, we have to carry that. Comment below and let me know if you have an idea that you believe has enough highly meaningful benefits that add up to that dramatic difference, or if there's anything that you're struggling with about differentiating yourself. And number 2 is protect. You've got to protect that idea. A provisional patent application, also called a PPA, is an inexpensive way to legally put the label patent pending on your product and all of your marketing materials. It puts the world on notice that it's your invention. And this is important because you don't technically own an idea until the United States Patent and Trademark Office says that it's your property. Then you have the right to do whatever you want with that property. You can make and sell it exclusively, or you can license those rights to a branded company that already has the sales and the distribution into the stores and a brand that people trust. Then, after you've licensed it, that company makes it and sells it and pays you a royalty on those sales. The only work you have to do is cashing those checks. For more on provisional patent applications, you can check out my video on what is a provisional patent in the link below. So file a PPA and pitch your product to companies for license. So how do you do that? Number 3 is license. Assuming you've invented a wow solution, this will take a little bit of work, but it should be relatively easy. Simply search the stores and online for brands that sell products like yours. In other words, brands that have products that yours would fit nicely into. So for example, if you've invented a new handle, say for luggage, then you would look for luggage companies, and those brands are the companies that you would contact. Then you can either call the company to see if they do indeed license products from inventors outside of the company, or, and this is my most common and best practice, go to the company's page on LinkedIn to find the people with titles like brand manager, innovation manager, marketing leaders in the company, or even the vice president or CEO of the company. and simply send them a connection request. And once you've connected, you can ask them to have a quick call with you to give you feedback on your idea and see if they would be interested in licensing. I have some great hacks for how to do this. Again, check in the links below in the description for more videos on how to connect and communicate with people on LinkedIn. But here's my most important tip for you when reaching out to companies on LinkedIn. Don't sell your invention. That's right. Getting a licensing deal is really just a series of getting yeses. It starts with selling them on the connection. For example, if you're doing it on LinkedIn. And that yes leads to selling them on a short call to demonstrate. And then hopefully that yes leads to a discussion to the terms and review what the potential formation of that relationship would look like. And that yes gets you to the deal. That is a whole lot easier than putting all the pressure on yourself to reach out to someone. And sales can be very scary for a lot of people. But it takes all of the pressure off and gives you the opportunity to just have a conversation with someone and build that rapport. Keep in mind, while this product may not be a good fit for them, they may be someone that you can go back to with future ideas. So you can use those conversations to get to know them, build a rapport, and even find out what types of products they really are looking for if yours indeed is not a good fit. And that way you can continue to invent new products for that purpose and potentially get a deal done with them in the future on a whole new product. Now, obviously, it's more involved than that, and that's why I have a free 1-hour course, How to License My Ideas, and you can find it in the link below, or you can book a free call with me to map out your next steps. If you like this video, hit the like button, be sure to subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for joining. Happy inventing.